Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Three River Kydex. Today, what we're going to do is make an outside the waistband holster for one of these. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so what we're going to do today is we are going to make an outside the waistband holster for one of these. This is the P365 from Sig Sauer. It's a very popular firearm. Again, you don't need to have the actual firearm to make holsters. You just need one of these. Alright, this is the mold. I get everything from knifekits.com. The mold is very, very accurate. It works very well. And if you watch my previous video where I do some of the modifications to these molds, you kind of get the idea of what I do to them to make them a little bit better. So they're not perfect, but they do work, and they work extremely well. So what we're going to do today is we're going to make an outside the waistband holster for these. The belt loops are going to be 1.5 inches. It will be a pancake style holster, so that means you get two pieces of Kydex, you sandwich it together, and then you mold and bend and create a holster from there. It will also have a tensioner. The tensioner is to pinch the Kydex to make it a little bit tighter, depending on what your likes are. Some people like it super loose, some people like it super tight. And what that'll do for you is to close the Kydex together and make it a little bit tighter if you wanted to do that. This is going to be a right hand draw. So the person is a right-handed shooter, I'm assuming. It'll be a right-handed draw, and it'll be in black Kydex. If you guys are interested or want any of my products, you have to go to threeriverkydex.com. There's a form up there. You fill out the form, it takes you to the basket, and then you hit go, and we'll get it done as soon as possible. Also, what I need you guys to do is to like, subscribe, share, add some comments down below. Let me know if you have one of my products, if you're looking for something specific. We can also do flashlight holsters as well. Just have to see if I can get the flashlight, or if I have the flashlight, or maybe you send it to us as well. Okay. Get on the mailing list. The mailing list is very simple. All you do is go to threeriverkydex.com, go all the way down to the bottom, first name, last name, and then your email address. What I'm going to do there is I'm going to send out discount codes. So if you want a discount on my holsters or on my knives, Three River Blades, that's the only place I'm sending my discount code, so make sure you get on that mailing list. And also, if you want to be a Patreon member, become a Patreon member. It's $1 a month. You're going to see all the videos that I make. You'll get them as soon as I'm done processing them. I put them up there, and all my Patreon members get to see it firsthand. Also, shout outs, gift mugs, t-shirts, that kind of thing. I also have a Teespring account. If you want merchandise, you can do that as well. So the next part of this video is just going to be me showing you kind of what I do in an audio visual montage. If you don't like that, that's fine. I get it. But again, guys, thank you very much for all the support. I really appreciate getting this business off the ground. If you want a custom-made knife, go to threeriverblades.com. If you want a holster or mag pouch or med kit, go to Three River Kydex. All right, guys, thank you. And as always, stay safe.